Good morning, Biafrans. Good afternoon and good night, depending on where you're watching this video from. This is a Sunday morning, 1st of August 2021. As you can see from the video, this is a police station. In fact, the second largest police station in Imo State. And this police station is situated at Omumatan, Hope Uzodima's hometown. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it widely. Omumatan is Hope Uzodima's hometown, and Hope Uzodima is the Sarinki Fulani of Imo State, who also doubles as the Supreme Court Governor of Imo State. This man claimed, or he boasted to the whole world, that if anything should happen in Imo State again, that the world should know that he is not the governor of Imo State. Anything he means an attack by unknown gunmen. And as you can see the evidence before us, unknown gunmen have been operating in Imo State non-stop. And this is a police station, the second largest police station in Imo State, razed to the ground, burnt to ashes. As you can see, several cars has been burnt to ashes and 2 policemen beheaded. So my question is, who is the governor of Imo State? Since the Sarinki Fulani have said that if this type of thing should happen again, the world should know that he is not the governor of Imo State. So who is the governor of Imo State? This question goes directly to Hope Uzodima, and I expect answers within 48 hours. Imo State Police Station burned to ashes. This goes on to prove that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is not behind the activities of the unknown gunmen. And there are video proofs that some of these unknown gunmen captured cannot even speak Igbo dialect, Igbo language, or any Biafran language. These people are now from eastern Nigeria, even though they are fighting for the Easterners. Yes, the unknown gunmen, we are fighting the injustice imposed in the eastern region. That notwithstanding, they are unknown gunmen. We don't know them. You don't know where they're coming from. People have this rumor that they may be Fulani herdsmen. Some have said, in fact, in the words of the Supreme Court Governor of Imo State, Governor Hope Uzodima, said that unknown gunmen are his rivals, politicians. They are simply opposition politicians in Imo State. So that statement have exonerated IPOB members and members of ESN, because the governor of Imo State, who happens to be the chief security officer of Imo State, after intense investigation, has come out to the open to announce to the world that the unknown gunmen, or the activities of the unknown gunmen, has nothing to do with the indigenous people of Biafra and the Eastern Security Network. He boldly said that these are works of politicians, his rivals, opposition politicians in Imo State. So anyone pointing accusing fingers at ESN or IPOB or Mazen Nnamdi Kanu should please desist. Henceforth, desist from such insinuations. UGM, or unknown gunmen as they are called, has nothing to do with IPOB. But I must admit, they are fighting for the injustice being imposed by the federal government in Biafra land. They are not Biafrans, even though they are fighting for Biafrans. Some vloggers call them angels. Maybe they are. Please keep watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Give us a thumbs up and share this video. Share it widely. Let it go wide for people to know that the operations of the unknown gunmen is still intact. They are still operating in Imo State non-stop. So for the governor to come to the whole world and lie to the world, for him to lie to the world that there is peace in Imo State, there is no peace. You can count the number of buildings that were burned down to ashes. You can count the number of cars that were destroyed and burned to ashes. And 2 policemen beheaded. And these policemen might have been some of these policemen that go around the towns and villages in Biafra land, kidnapping innocent youths, extrajudicially killing innocent Biafran youths, unarmed civilians, causing havoc and mayhem in Biafra land. These people are killing Biafrans with no reason. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and keep sharing. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Fellow Biafrans, enjoy a very beautiful Sunday. Don't forget that if Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is not released before the 9th of August, Monday, there will be no movement in Biafra land. We are going to turn Biafra land into a host town every Monday. No activity, no movement, no business, no vehicular movement. Everything will be at a standstill unless the handlers of the zoo releases Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the liberator of our generation, the man that has come that we might be free, the man that speaks fire. When he speaks only truth, undiluted truth, the man that have come that our mothers should not be raped in the villages, in the farms, the man that have come that we, the youth of Biafra land, will not be murdered in our sleep, the man that have come that our parents can go back to farms, the man that have come that the Fulani herdsmen terrorist organization will stop destroying our farm crops. He has come that our ancestral land will not be taken away from us. And today they have kidnapped that man from Kenya. They are keeping him in DSS custody in Abuja, and they have stopped anyone from communicating with that great leader, the greatest leader the world have ever witnessed. You can see what is going on all around the world. Protests in every major city of the world. That tells you everything you need to know about the man Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. It takes you volumes of his character. If because of him, only one man, and the whole world is at a standstill, millions of people are protesting all over the world. That tells you all you need to know about the character of the man Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. I call him the greatest man ever created, the greatest man to have walked upon the planet Earth. A man I love so much, a man I cherish so much, a man that have sacrificed everything for the freedom of his people. His parents died because of the invasion of the military, Nigerian military. He had been incarceration in 2017, and today they kidnapped him. He suffered all this because of the love he has for his people. He have lost cousins and friends and well-wishers because of his love for his people. And today they are holding him. May the fire of God from above will destroy all his enemies. and he shall be set free sooner than later. Fellow Biafrans and lovers of freedom, do not be afraid. Be strong. For the freedom we seek, our freedom is coming. I want to enjoy you to continue with your activities today. Enjoy your Sunday. Subscribe to this channel. Like this video and share this video. Bye bye.